Hello, this is Khalid from Retro Nerd. So you're probably wondering what's with this box. Well, I went to the flea market the other day and I spent 60 bucks. Got some cool things. Let's go over them and see what I got. Okay, so let's start. We'll start first. I didn't test any of these stuff I bought. And by the way, sorry for if you're hearing the sound of, there's some work being done in the apartment next to me. So anyways, I didn't test any of these except for this, which as you can see, it's a monitor. I bought it because I needed a monitor for my cam, as the viewfinder is very small, but unfortunately I was very wrong. This is the worst kind of decision I made. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, but basically it's completely smashed. And I learned something: never buy a modern new thing from the flea market, because when someone throw away a kind of a new monitor like this Mag, there's a reason. It's probably because it's smashed. Unfortunately, there isn't much we can do about it, but we just removed that from the way. So what we're gonna do next is basically look at the other stuff we've got, and I'll tell you how much I paid for each item. By the way, the monitor I paid like $4 for it, so it wasn't huge. But anyways, so basically we look at the items, and I'll tell you how much I paid for each one, and we'll look at eBay how much they're selling for. So this is like a barcode reader. I bought it for my other things, but I'll try to, test it, see if it's working or not, or fix it, but this is not very important. Anyway, I paid around $1.5 for this one, and I think it goes for like 15 bucks on eBay, but it's not very important for this episode or for the Retro Nerd. Next, we have those. So as you can see, it's two Nintendo Wiis. This one I paid $5 for, and this one I paid $3.50. So one black, one white. As you can see, they're in a kind of rough shape. This one is missing one of the covers, the other one is there. There is cracks in the front of it. I don't know if you can see them, but basically it's a little bit cracked. But anyway, even the shell, we can replace it. The question is whether it's working or not. We're not gonna test them right now. We'll have a separate video for the Wii's. For every part, we'll have a video. This is the second one, and it's in I would say, a worse shape. I paid, as I said, like $3.50 for this one, and it's missing here also the cover for the LED, the SD card. But yeah, let's see how much do they cost, or how much can we sell them on eBay. I don't have an idea. Let me grab my phone. So let's see. And by the way, one of them came with the charger and the cable, the video cable. So a little bit better. Maybe like 25 bucks for used ones without controllers. Similar to the one we have. There is one for 80. This one is basically around 30 bucks. So we'll take a screenshot and I will edit it into the video anyways. Okay, so basically if we manage to fix them and we sell them both for like 50 bucks, it's a huge profit. Moving on. What's next? Yes, something you're probably all aware of or like familiar with. I found a PS2. I don't know if you can see basically the name, but basically this is a PS2. It's kind of there's definitely scratches on it. I don't know, again, I didn't test it, but it doesn't look very bad. The shell there, it's not broken from anywhere. It probably needs cleaning. I don't know if the CD works. It has a CD inside it. So this is like a Cobit CD, so I guess it's already modded, which we'll remove. Anyways, this one I paid $5 for, and it's from 2008, by the way. The model is the 75004 PAL version. Let's check how much it will basically, if we want to sell it. 40 bucks. There is one for 40 bucks. Till now there is bids on it. So I would say, like, just to be on the safe side, we'll say 45 bucks. So we paid 5. Again, a huge win. What I'll do with these, you know, like the Wii and the PlayStation, is basically I'm not gonna try to sell them right away. I'll probably keep some of them. The PlayStation 2, I have several, you know, consoles, PS2s, so I'll keep one because I like to collect them. The same with Wii, I'll choose one and keep it and probably sell the other one. But what I'll do is wait until I find more of the accessories, like the controllers, maybe covers. I don't know if I can find another kind of Wii with a better shell, and maybe like figure out, you know, move parts from one to the other to get one working. So it's not like we're gonna fix it and send it away directly. It's basically we'll try to collect more items for it until we get it working. Next, we have this controller, which is a PS1 controller. I found I paid like $1 for it, $1.5. I don't know if it's working or not, but I love PS1. I don't know if it's working or not. Again, I see that I think there's one pin missing from the thing, but we'll try also to clean it up and fix it. But we need a PS1 to test it. I don't have one yet. Next, I have something that I really like. I remember from being young, I always wanted something like this, which is basically a voice sensor recorder. The brand is Aiwa, and it comes with a small cassette. I don't know if you remember these cassettes, guys. I don't know again if it's working or not. We're gonna do a special episode on it. It doesn't have batteries, and there doesn't appear to be corrosion on the batteries, so that's a good sign, even though there's a little bit corrosion on the LED here on the back cover. But other than that, you know, the buttons are a little bit spongy, but it seems to be fine. 1.2, 2.4. Anyway, so we'll have a special episode also for this one to refurbish it, you know, like bring it back to its glory days. There is a little bit of scratches, as you can see, but anyways, we'll try to fix it. I paid also $1.5 for this one. And if we look at eBay, seems to be around maybe like $40. So we'll say $40 for this one. If we can get it to basically mint condition. I've taken the snapshot. So this is also part of it. I'm trying to lay it around in a nice manner. Next, we have this bunch, which came together, by the way. And it basically, it's a original Nintendo USB 001 adapter. So basically, this is a charger for the DS Lite. Okay, so maybe like $3. So we'll say this one is like $3. Each of these Nintendo Wii kind of AV cables is, we'll say $3. There is some for $6. We'll say $3. So basically we said $3, $6, $9, $12 for all of those, and for those I paid $3 for the whole lot. So I would say it's a good deal. Next, what do we have? I bought some, you know, small bits and bobs. There's like a small lot for also like $3. It have this controller, which I expect it's a Wii controller. I don't know, it doesn't have the cable for it, but it's a Wii controller, which we need to test and see. And this is player 2. I didn't find player 1. This disc or this cartridge, which again, I don't know what it is. If anyone knows, guys, let me know. One original and one non-original memory cards. I think this is a memory card for PlayStation 2, and this is the 8 megabyte also memory card. 2 Casio watches, which I love. I know they're very cheap, but they're original Casio watches. I don't know if you can see, probably you can. Anyways, and like an adapter, the whole lot was also like for $2. So I said, you know what, just give it to me. Next, let me just make a little bit space for something that I think is very interesting. It's not gaming, but it's retro definitely. So the next item is this one, which is a projector that uses these kind of, can't remember the names, like small kind of negative photograph, or like small photographs that comes on plastic, and you can basically slide them. It comes with a remote to kind of move back and forth. It's a very interesting thing. I really like it. I bought it for around 12 bucks. I don't know again if it's working or not, but it looked really interesting for me. Let's see how much it will sell. There is a few for like $30, but I can't see one with this the plastic thingy. I don't know what's the difference. I need to look into these, by the way. But let's say we'll take an average, say $25. Again, I think it's very interesting. We'll put it, you know, once we fix it, we'll put it for the test. I need to figure out how to test it because I don't have any of the pictures that you use or the slides you use with it. But this is also like a very interesting thing. Let me just try to put it away. And because we're gonna make room for the final thing, which is the most interesting thing that I got from the market. It came in a case, by the way. Yes, I'm not lying. This is the case it came in. And sorry, I'm bumping into the mic, but it's okay. So this is it. Okay, let me remove the wheels so we don't knock anything off. Okay. So this, I'll remove this also, is a Sinclair ZX81 personal computer. I don't know if you can see the name of the company, but it basically says, I'll try to, yeah, Sinclair Z81. It's a personal computer. I didn't know of it, but it looked very cool when I looked at it. It gets a cartridge, not a car. I don't know what gets connected here, but anyways, it comes with the power adapter, kind of a UV cable, or like a sound cable, I would guess. Mic, ear, yeah, sound cable, and a TV cable to connect it to the TV. Again, I didn't test any of this. I doubt this is part of it. But what the cool thing is also, it comes with this, which I guess it's one of the games you can play on it. I don't know. Right? And the most like funny, it's not funny, very interesting thing for me is it comes with the original receipt of the thing. So if you look, you know, up here, it says that this was bought on the 26th of March, the year 1982. And it costed, the computer is 70, I think, pounds. And there was 16K RAM, which I don't know if it's still here or not, for 50 pounds, which was expensive. It was bought from W.H. Smith and Sons in London. Very interesting. So this will get laminated, definitely. We'll test this. Hopefully it will work. Let's check it on eBay, how much it goes for. Okay. So there is one with the memory for like $82. Of course, there is ones with the back for $150. So we'll say around 80 bucks or maybe 70 bucks if we can get the RAM. The annoying thing, I don't know if I can find the RAM, but let's say, we'll say 70 bucks for this one. Again, it's very interesting for me. So I think that concludes the lot. Yes, that's everything I bought on the other day. as I said, we'll dedicate an episode for each of the items that we've went over. Of course, not the cables and lots, the small lots, but more of the devices. We'll try to see if they're working or not, try to fix them. And basically, but the next time I will visit the flea market, I'll see if I can find more components for those, because like, for example, this knockoff hand is player 2. There's probably another handle that's player 1. The 16K RAM for this one is missing. I don't know where. Maybe we can find it somewhere, but it's definitely not in this. I don't think so. I looked around, but there wasn't anything inside the bag other than the invoice itself. If you like this kind of videos, please smash the like button and leave in the comments what you think about the whole kind of plot or the whole things we bought, if it was worth it, if you're like familiar with, you know, like these old stuff. If you have any comments on how to kind of fix them, please put it in the comment. And if it happens that you're new to the channel, it will be great if you subscribe. And that's it for now. See you in the next video.